The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall!
That's gonna be hard to get on. Barco!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so the video that I just saw a while ago is probably one of the biggest drug busts in history, or it is the biggest drug bust in history, right? Over $500 million worth of drugs was found in a homemade submarine, and 55 smugglers was arrested, right? So on July 11, that would be Thursday, July 11, right? The Coast Guard, that's the United States Coast Guard, right? Somehow detect activities below in the ocean. As I said, to their surprise, it was a submarine, and this submarine was asked to stop, as you see in the video. And when they finally get a control of the submarine and so forth, they have seized, right, $569 million worth of drugs, right? Over 900 pounds of marijuana and 39,000 pounds of cocaine. You see me? Of the 55 persons, not all of them is going to be tried in the US. That is in Tampa, in United States of America, right? And all of this has been the reports from federal agents of the US. You see me? They said that they find this submarine, this homemade submarine, in the East Pacific Ocean, and it was heading towards the Central and South America, right? They also said that some of these drugs probably would end up crossing the border into America North, you know, like the southern part of North America and so on. Some of these persons will be tried in other countries, I should say. You see me? And they said that this will make the 14th drug bust since May to July. You see me? I mean, I can even show you a picture. You know, I'm going to show you. Well, look at this picture right here, right? A picture showing off the Coast Guards, or should I say guardsmen, right, sinking vessels that were carrying illegal substances, or should I say contraband. You see what I say? They said that they will be very relentless and they will do what it takes to keep protecting the nation from these things. And they also said that these homemade submarines make it very hard for them to find these drugs that are crossing certain borders. You know what I'm saying? Because they said because the ocean is so big and this is a submarine, right? It is as if you're looking for a needle in a haystack. However, they find some, right? So you see how the thing goes, isn't it? Viewers and subscribers, even when I'm telling you this, I don't even know how to say this to you, viewers and subscribers, because this is not any normal activity right here that's going on. I mean, a homemade submarine, right? I'm not even thinking about something like that. As I said, this really and truly, yeah, you know. So I couldn't leave out something like this. I have to show you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to take a look on this and see what I got. Is it? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?